Okay guys, so this is what you can expect when you get your kit. What you do is open up the box. First thing is just a document explaining a little bit about the kit along with how to find the instructions online. So then you've got all the various parts. You've got the base CNC machined aluminum component that goes into the dash, the screen mount that fastens between the screen and this base inside the dash. Then you've got 4 bolts. These are stainless steel with washers, separately packaged. I included a 3/16 Allen wrench for the 2 Allen bolts, and then the fabric sleeve to wrap around the mount and to house the temperature sensor. So that is the kit, and I think I've covered everything in my previous videos, but I just wanted to show you guys what you can expect when you receive your kit. We're boxing up our first few kits and shipping them off over the next couple of days. Those of you that you'll know that you're going to be getting one of the first kits because I'll email you and ask for the balance of your order before I ship. So there's no need to email and ask if you're getting one of the first ones because I will email you. So thanks guys.